adventurers! Today it is Monday and today we are going to learn all about the different seasons of the year. Now I know that you're very good at this, so I'm looking forward to seeing some fantastic work. Okay, so there are 4 different seasons of the year and they are spring, summer, autumn and winter. Okay. And we are currently in the season of spring because the month is April, okay? So let's have a look at the different things that you can see in the different seasons of the year, because we all know that the different seasons are very different from each other, because we can see lots of different things during the 4 different seasons. Okay, so let's start with spring because we are currently in spring. So the months of spring are March, April and May. Okay, and I want you to look at these pictures and think of what you can see in the season of spring. Okay, so we can see lots of flowers and trees starting to grow. So we can see lots of bright colours. We can start to see blue skies with some clouds and the sun. Sometimes we can see rain in spring. And we also see lots of new animals, okay, because lots of animals come out or they are born. Now let's have a look at summer. So summer is in the months of June, July and August. Okay, so let's have a look at the things we can see in summer and how it is different to the 3 other seasons of the year. Okay, so in summer people often go to the beach and stay outside because there is lots of sun and it is very warm. Okay, and people dress differently as well. So they dress for the warm weather. So they wear sunglasses, hats, t-shirts, shorts, skirts. Okay. Fantastic. Now let's have a look at the season autumn. So autumn is in the months of September, October and November. So let's have a look at what we can see in autumn and how it is different. So as you can see in autumn, you can see lots of different colours on the trees because they turn from green to red, orange, yellow and brown. Okay, and people are starting to wear their jackets and their hats because the weather is getting colder again. You can see lots of clouds in autumn. And the leaves start to fall onto the ground. Okay, fantastic. Now let's have a look at winter. So winter is in the months of December, January and February. So what do we see in winter that's different from the different seasons of the year? Now I think a big answer is snow, okay? Because in winter we often see snow, which we won't see in the other seasons of the year. And people wear their hats, their scarves, their jackets because it is often very, very cold. And if we have a look at the trees, there are no leaves on them. So in winter, the trees lose their leaves, which grow back again in spring. Okay, adventurers, now that we've had a look at the different seasons of the year and things that you might see in the different seasons, let's play a little game before we start our activity. Okay, so what we need to do is guess what the season is. So what season do we think this picture is? Fantastic, it is winter. Okay, and as you can see, there are no leaves on the trees. Now, what season do we think this one is? Okay, good job, adventurers. It is spring. And a big clue here is the green grass that is growing. And now we can see the baby lamb that has been born. Now, can we guess what season this is? Fantastic, it is autumn. And the colours that you can see are a big clue here. And the last one, which season do we think this is? Fantastic, it is summer, and as you can see there are blue skies and people are enjoying being outside. Now this is our first activity for today, adventurers. So as you can see, it shows the 4 different seasons through the pictures of the trees. Okay, so here we've got spring, summer, autumn and winter. Okay, and your first job to do this activity is to cut these 18 different pictures out. Okay, and when you have cut all of these different pictures out, I want you to look at and I want you to decide in which season you would see this picture. So I'm going to show you an example. And I'm going to choose this picture, which is a hot water bottle. So I think this belongs in winter. Okay, because in winter it's very, very cold. So I would stick the picture of the hot water bottle on the winter tree. Okay, so then I want you to finish this activity and do this for all of the different pictures. Great job, adventurers. Great job, adventurers. Okay, so our second activity for today is to make our own acrostic poem, okay? And this acrostic poem is going to be about the different seasons. So about all the things that you can see and that we have learned in the different seasons of the year. Okay, so first, I'm going to tell you what an acrostic poem is. Okay, adventurers, so this is an example of an acrostic poem. Okay, so as you can see, there are some letters which are down the side and they make a word. Now, can we guess what word these letters make? K, H, O, O, L. Okay, so it says school. So this poem is about a school, okay? And then what you do is you write different words that begin with the letter about a school. So this poem says super, cool, happy, on time, outdoor play, learning. Okay, now I will show you an example for a seasons one. Okay, so now we are going to make our own acrostic poem about seasons. So what we're going to do is we're going to think about the 4 different seasons of the year and things that you see in these seasons or you do in these seasons that begin with the letters E, A, S, O, N, S. Okay? Okay, so this is Miss Katie's example. So my poem says snow, Easter, autumn, sun, October, November, spring. Okay, so this is my poem about things that happen and that we can see or that we do in the different seasons of the year. And to help you adventurers, you can look back on our video from today and see what things you can see when we're going through the different months of the year and the different seasons. Or if you're really stuck, I have shown you some pictures here that you can use for your poem. Okay, I can't wait to see them. Okay, adventurers, so this is our last activity for today. And today we have looked at the 4 different seasons of the year. But now I want you to have a think about the 4 seasons of the year and choose which is your favourite season. So which season do you like the most? So do you like spring? Do you like summer? Do you like autumn? Or do you like winter? And once you have decided, I want you to draw a picture of you in your favourite season. So I want you to draw all the things that you like in that season. And once you have drawn your picture, I want you to colour it in your very best colouring. Okay, and now I want you to write what your favourite season is. So it says, my favourite season is, and Miss Katie is going to write summer because that is my favourite season. And can we guess why from the pictures that I have tried to draw? Okay, so because I like the sun and I like ice cream, gelato. Okay, because I like to, and then I need you to write why you like that season. So Miss Katie's is, my favourite season is summer because I like to eat ice cream. Okay, and I want you to try your best with this activity. Thank you, adventurers.